Model, 2015 Volkswagen Transporter T32 102PS 2.0 TDI Startline fridge van. Excellent runner. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 194,692. MOT, the 8th of July 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 102PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash whatsoever. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.